Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to click buttons in Selenium Python. First, you need to locate the specific button element you wish to interact with. Selenium offers several powerful methods for finding elements, such as by ID, class name, or XPath. Once located, you can then perform the click action. It's crucial to ensure the button is fully loaded and visible on the page before attempting to click it, preventing potential errors and ensuring smooth automation. To effectively click a button, you must first locate it. Selenium provides several methods for this. For example, find element by ID is excellent for unique identifiers. If an ID isn't available, find element by name can be useful. For more complex scenarios, find element by XPath offers powerful selection capabilities, allowing you to navigate the document object model. Alternatively, find element by CSS selector provides a robust and often faster way to pinpoint elements. Once you have successfully located your button element, performing the click action is straightforward. Simply call the click method directly on the element object. For instance, if your button is stored in a variable named myButton, you would write myButton. Click. It's important to anticipate potential issues like the element not being interactable. Using explicit waits, such as WebDriver wait for up to 10 seconds, can prevent these common errors. For reliable button clicking, always implement best practices. Explicitly waiting for an element to be clickable, rather than just present, is crucial. Use clear and descriptive locators to make your code more maintainable and understandable for anyone reading it. Be prepared to handle any unexpected alerts or pop-ups that might appear and obstruct your click. When troubleshooting, taking screenshots at various stages can provide invaluable insights into the page state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.